Hi everyone, I'm Salman Riaz from Era24 UK, and in today's video I'm going to give you a tutorial or a guide about Zoom software or Zoom application. So Zoom we use to have a meeting or webinar or video calling, or if you want to screen share to someone. So this is the way you can use Zoom very easily. So what you need to do, you just need to go on this web address. I have given this web address in the video description, so you can just click on it and you will go that link or that website, and then just you need to log in or sign up. If you don't have any account, then you have to just sign up or register. After registration, you will see this page. This is the page. You will see the first one as I am on right now. So here you can see what they have got, because for your own use you can use it free. Up to 100 people you can add, and what you need to do, you just need to click on app. Here are some options: team, chat, phone, meetings, contacts. Or if you want to download their software, they will also give you an option to download. So first you need to go and download the software. So you will come on this link, and then here you will see your download. Just click on download and install on your system. After installation, then you will be seeing a different kind of window. I will show you very quickly. First I will show you what you can do on their online or on their website. What options do we have after getting registered with their website? So here you can see the host. What you can do with video off, you can have a meeting but without any video, or with video, or if you just want to share your screen to someone else, then this option you can choose. Same thing, like if you need to add, you can add someone in chat. So the chat option will be opened here, whatever you need to chat. Same way you can see the other options in 2025 or 2025. We see here home, documents, meetings, contacts, whiteboard. So whiteboard you can also use to share whatever you are going to teach someone. So here are some options. Just click and go ahead one by one and you will see more options. Once you will click on home, then you will see this screen. The same screen you will see once your software is downloaded on your computer or PC or Mac. Then you will see the same screen. Here you can create a new meeting or join someone, and same thing, this is your calendar. Whatever you do, you will see on the right hand side all information. Now I will take you one step by step, one tab by one tab. So this is documentation of the software, so no need to go there. If you want to go there, you just read the information. Chat, for team chat you use. Here you can do meetings, so start meeting and invite, copy the invitation and send by email. So this is the way you will be able to invite someone. Here you have got your own contacts. You can save the contacts here and invite them for the next meeting. Here is whiteboard, which I was using to teach someone something. So there are some different whiteboards. As you can see, a list of whiteboards. According to your needs, you use it, and there are more options. Then you just click on more, and then you will find more options here. Same thing like for your projects, you just click and plus, and then you just give a name to your project. So this is the way you will be able to create your own projects. Sorry about my phone. Yeah, so this is the way you can use all whiteboards. Here you can see on the right hand or left hand side, and we go now on home. If we need to search anything, we are going to click this option search, and then here you can find your top results or contacts or channels, whatever you have previously or you are going to add. All messages here, files you have transferred or received, so you will find here. If you don't see, or if you have so many files, you just give a name in search box and just enter, so your search will come up. Here you will see some options. Once you will click on this icon, then it will show your username and email. Settings you can set as per your requirement. Availability, if you are busy, then you can click on it. If you don't want to get disturbed, so you just click on it, and then you have to give around what time period you are not available. If you are away from your desk, then you can choose this option. If you are out of office, this one. Profile you can set, write about yourself here. Choose your language, whichever language you are using in your country or for this meeting. And here is sign out. So as you can see on the left hand side, you will see my personal meeting ID. So this ID you always provide to other people that they can join this meeting. So this is your personal meeting ID or ID. So if you want to start this, then you can click start, and then meeting will be started. Once you will click on start, then it will go on this page. Then you have to read their terms and condition policies and then continue. After continuing, you will see this kind of screen where you are going to share your video and audio to everyone. Then you can allow that anyone can use this and be connected. So as you can see right now, it is showing my logo, but here on the left hand side down there, you can see if I want to show my video, I will just click on it, and then you will be seeing, instead of my logo, you will see the video. So here are some pop-ups. As I'm just reading these pop-ups, they are saying about, do you want to show your face, do you want to show your share your microphone. Obviously if you want to use without any other external microphone or video camera, then you have to allow. Just click on allow, and then as you can see, enable access in browser. This is this information you will see, or because right now I'm using the same camera for the recording, so that's why it is not connecting, but this is the way you can just connect your video. And the same thing for audio. Here you have got so many options for audio, like microphone, speakers, and some other audio settings. So microphone, same as system, so it means the laptop you are using, it has got its own microphone. So if you want to use this, so you just click here, otherwise you click some different one or external one. The same thing with the same as for speakers. If you are using your computer, laptop speakers, obviously then you will choose this option. Otherwise you just go for external, which is by putting a external lead on your laptop or computer, and then just you generate the voice or having the speakers playing. Here is leave computer audio. If you don't want to that someone listening you, then you just leave the audio. Then whatever you will be teaching, it will not be discontinued, it will be continued, but your voice, or they cannot hear your voice. Or the other audio options are here. If you don't want to hear their voice, you can also control by clicking the audio options. I just tried. As you see, I'm using right now from my laptop everything, so it is not possible to show you as I wanted to, but these are the options here for microphone, audio, and if you don't want to leave it on, just click on it and it will be crossed. So now this is the shortcut. With this shortcut you just disable the microphone. Same way, this is the way you click on video, and then this is the way you disable the video. I think I have covered everything. There are some more options down there. You can see once the chat or meeting is started, so there are a couple of options: participants, chat, reactions, share screen, securities. So whatever you need to use, it will come up. But for example, if I click chat, so I can write on something here, so it will be showing, like for example, hi. So as you can see, I have written, and other people whatever they will be writing. So everyone in the meeting, they can see on the right hand side the meeting chat. Same thing with the reactions. If you are happy, thumbs up. Okay, I'm giving thumbs up, so you see the thumbs up here on the left hand side, upper left hand side. So this is the way you can put your icons or reactions. Same thing is screen share. If you want to share this screen, then you just click on it, and then it will say select the window, the area you want to show. And if you want to show the area, because right now I'm creating the video from the same camera, so it is not possible to share the screen, because if I will be sharing the screen, then video will be disconnected. So I hope you have got the idea what I'm trying to explain you. How does it work? It is quite easy and very useful, and it is free of charge. You don't have to pay any subscription. And also, if you want to end the meeting, you can end the meeting by clicking the red button. If you are leaving the meeting, so you just leave the meeting, but meeting will be carrying on. Like other people, they will be still there in the meeting, but just you will be out from the meeting. So I'm just going to click end meeting for all. So the meeting is ended now. And now I'm going to show you how we can install the software which we have downloaded. So here is the software which we recently downloaded. I will double click on it because this is an exe file. Now it is installing. You will click yes. You will allow the permission, and the software has been started and successfully installed. So the installation was successful. Automatically keep Zoom Workplace app up to date. Yes. So now you will be connecting or using this Zoom software through your PC, not going by online. So once you will sign up or sign in, then you will go. So I'm going to sign up. So you see my information, email address and password I will provide, and I will keep signing up the same way like I was connected to online version. So I hope I have covered everything, guys. If you have any question, obviously you can leave a comment and ask me. I will try my best to bring you the best solution and make your life easier. If you like this video, you can thumbs up and share this video to others. It might help you and others to get connected with each other with this free software. And subscribe my channel. I will appreciate it. Thank you very much. Have a great day. Bye.